What's up, slackers? I got a pretty cool thing to show you guys today. It's I don't know, it's intimidating. It's almost like the computer version of me, you know? It's the Gigabyte AORUS XTREME, the C621, and that's the chipset. I mean, this thing is insane. I mean, it's huge. Like I said, it's like me as a PC. Alright, so let's take a look at it. I'm going to put it over to the side because, I mean, it's so big it takes up the whole damn table. What we got here, we open up the box. Obviously, we get the guide, which is pretty much telling everything about the board, how you use it, etc., etc. You see them all the time, everyone. We got a bunch of SATA cables. We got bat panel. I never use those. Even in my regular PCs, I never use them. But we got some fan headers, extenders, got a bunch of good stuff. I mean, give you some AORUS, like cable ties or the Velcros. Looks like interesting. They have little connectors now where you can put for like all the lights. That's cool. Let's see what else. I don't even know what that is. We'll find out later. We got a lot of good stuff. Looks like a bunch of stuff for like probes and kind of hard to see actually, but pretty cool. We got AORUS badge. It looks like they give you a USB disc. They better give you for this price. My goodness, this thing's expensive. I wasn't able to get actually a good price on it, but now this isn't the first time seeing it because when I got this board, I mean, come on, this board is ridiculous. So I had to take it out. So I did take it out, but I didn't really like enjoy it and like take it all in. So like this is gonna be the first time I actually like, oh my goodness, look at this stuff. So let's pop this thing out and see if we can get a little bit of better shot. Things have, even the box is heavy. So let's put this down real quick. That way I don't break stuff, which I usually do. It's kind of my thing. So let's see. Got down there. So, oh, look at that. Now this thing is absolutely insane. You're talking 7 PCIe slots. You're talking 12 memory slots. So basically, I mean, this thing's a monstrosity. We basically have a server CPU socket. This one's made for the 3175X. It has the C621 chipset and fully overclockable. I mean, the VRM here is 32 phases, bro. 32. I don't know if you can really see on the side. Like, the monstrosity is just ridiculous. It's insane. It's huge. I mean, you could take this heatsink. I mean, you could beat the hell out of somebody. I mean, it's quite intense. I mean, overall, I mean, I've seen the actual ASUS board, which is the Rogue board, and I mean, don't get me wrong, that board's sexy too, but I think this one's on just a little bit different level. For what I know is, you know, High Cookie over, he used to be a huge Gigabyte overclocker, and now he does mostly R&D over there, but he was big on this board, so he was doing tests on it, and you all heard about the chiller at 5 gig, which is, I don't know, it's a whole nother story. I didn't think it was that big of a deal, but apparently a lot of people did. But anyway, so, I mean, this thing's just a monster. Well, so we're gonna end up doing a lot of cool things with this. We're gonna end up doing a bunch of CPU stuff on water. I got some blocks coming for it. I'm also gonna fill all 12 slots with G-Skill memory, of course. We're gonna do some cool stuff. We're gonna do water, not so much air, probably just go right to water, and then we'll do some liquid nitrogen and stuff. So I'm waiting on some parts. I have to get with Steve, give me a plate for this thing, because I don't have one. I'm still waiting for the chip too, so. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing some cool stuff, and I don't know if you guys know who Dan Cup is. He was in in the G-Skill tournament, so he and I have a little thing gonna go on with these chips. He's got one too. He's got the ASUS side, and I got the Gigabyte side. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a little battle back and forth. So that should be fun. So probably do some live streams with that. And I don't know. But man, this thing is crazy. To be honest, I haven't been so excited since the SR2 days. I mean, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's so insane. Like this heatsink. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen a computer in a heatsink. I don't know if I can get that view. I'll take some standard shots, but it's ridiculous. Like you could literally, I mean, use it as a weapon. I mean, I wouldn't have to, but it's pretty crazy. So let me put this back. But all right, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's the C621 AORUS XTREME. And that thing is pretty much the extremest motherboard I've ever seen. 32 phase, basically made for the 3175X. It's a monster. So we're gonna be doing air, like I said before, air, LN2. It's gonna get quite crazy. So make sure you keep watching, subscribe, like. If you want shirts, check out beardedhardware.com. That's pretty much it. Slack on, my brothers. Slacker out.